Imagine transforming every dish with a burst of flavor that's both sweet and spicy. Thai basil is the secret ingredient that will elevate your cooking, adding an aromatic punch to everything from stir-fries to soups. Thai basil, a fragrant and flavorful herb, stands apart from its culinary relatives, with a distinct taste that enhances dishes in ways no other basil can. Its leaves, a rich green hue with purple stems and delicate purple flowers, offer an aromatic punch that is both sweet and spicy. Native to Southeast Asia, Thai basil is integral to a wide variety of dishes, especially in Thai, Vietnamese, and other Southeast Asian cuisines. It is often used fresh, contributing its unique flavor to stir-fries, soups, curries, and salads, becoming a central element of dishes like Thai basil chicken or pho. Its sharp, peppery undertone, tinged with hints of anise and clove, elevates the taste profile, adding depth to the food it accompanies. While it may resemble the more common sweet basil, Thai basil is much more robust in flavor, capable of holding its own even in the heat of a sizzling wok or the richness of a simmering curry. The plant itself is easy to grow, favoring hot, sunny environments with well-drained soil. It thrives in conditions that mimic its tropical origins: full sun, plenty of moisture, and warmth. The small, glossy, ovate leaves of Thai basil are a beautiful green with purple veins, making it an attractive addition to any garden or balcony. But what truly makes Thai basil special is its resilience. Unlike sweet basil, which tends to wilt and lose its flavor when dried, Thai basil retains much of its pungent essence, even in the dried form. As the plant matures, it produces small clusters of purple or white flowers that attract pollinators, particularly bees. These flowers are not only beautiful but also indicative of the plant's life cycle, signaling that the herb has reached full maturity. Many gardeners opt to pinch back the flowers to encourage new leaf growth, ensuring a fresh supply of leaves throughout the growing season. Harvesting Thai basil is an art in itself. The leaves are typically picked just before the plant flowers to ensure the highest concentration of oils and flavor. This timing, coupled with a careful handling of the plant, allows for the herb to retain its vibrant taste. The leaves are tender and slightly crinkled, and as one crushes them in their fingers, the aroma is immediate and intense, a blend of sweet and peppery notes that can transform a dish. When harvested properly, the leaves can be used immediately, but they also freeze well. Freezing locks in the flavor and helps preserve its vibrant green color, allowing cooks to have a ready supply even when the plant is out of season. Though fresh leaves are often preferred in cooking, Thai basil can be dried, though it does lose some of its characteristic flavor in the process. Still, it retains enough of its essence to infuse a dish with a deeper, more nuanced basil flavor, even when dried. Thai basil's culinary versatility is astounding, extending far beyond simple garnishes. Its leaves are integral to some of the most iconic dishes in Southeast Asian cuisine. In Thai cooking, it is commonly paired with chili, garlic, and lime to create a balanced, aromatic dish. It's often found in stir-fries, where its robust flavor holds up against the heat of the pan and the richness of sauces. One of the most famous dishes utilizing Thai basil is pad krapao, Thai basil chicken, where the fresh, aromatic leaves are stir-fried with ground meat, chilies, and soy sauce, creating a dish that is fragrant and full of depth. In Vietnamese cuisine, Thai basil often accompanies pho, its sharp, peppery taste perfectly complementing the savory, aromatic broth. Whether shredded into a salad or added whole to a soup, its ability to cut through rich and fatty foods with ease makes it a must-have in many kitchens. In addition to its culinary applications, Thai basil also offers several health benefits, making it a valuable addition to one's diet. Rich in antioxidants, it contains compounds known to fight inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and support overall health. It is often used in traditional medicine for its purported ability to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. The essential oils found in Thai basil, such as eugenol and methylchavicol, are known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In some cultures, Thai basil is also believed to possess calming properties, often incorporated into herbal teas and tonics to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Furthermore, its high levels of vitamin K and minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium contribute to bone health and overall well-being. For many who incorporate it into their daily meals, Thai basil not only adds flavor but also serves as a small, natural boost to health. Though it's deeply embedded in the culinary traditions of Southeast Asia, Thai basil has found its way into kitchens worldwide. With its growing popularity, it is now widely available in grocery stores, and many home gardeners have embraced it for its unique flavor and ease of cultivation. In recent years, it has been gaining recognition outside of its traditional cultural boundaries, with chefs and food enthusiasts experimenting with its bold flavor in a wide range of dishes. From simple salads and pizzas to experimental cocktails, Thai basil's influence continues to expand, adding a touch of spice and sophistication to dishes around the globe. Its versatility ensures that it will remain a cherished herb in both traditional and modern kitchens for years to come. The enduring popularity of Thai basil is a testament to its unmatched ability to bring a complex, aromatic flavor to any dish, whether in a traditional curry or a cutting-edge fusion creation. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, Thai basil brings vibrant flavor and health benefits that can't be ignored. Add it to your kitchen garden today, and let your meals reach new heights of taste and aroma.